Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect or link up your Epic Games account to your Discord profile. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is sign into Discord and select the U icon in the bottom corner to open up your Discord profile page. Then select the little gear icon up in the top right. Underneath account settings, you want to select connections and then select the little plus icon to expand all of the connection types. Scroll down until you locate Epic Games and select that. And then you will need to sign into your Epic Games account and you should be able to sync it up from here. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.